Hello everyone, welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. I am Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to develop this model in SolidWorks software. First open SolidWorks, in that click on New Document, in that choose Part, then click on OK. Now, uh, Now the new document is opened in the SolidWorks. First we need to change the units. Dear students, carefully observe the given image. The given solid model units are in terms of millimeters, so that's why you need to change that units in the SolidWorks software. That is available bottom right corner. You can click on this option. It's showing that different types of units. Among that, I am choosing mmgs, that means millimeter, gram, second. Now the units are in millimeters. Then once again see the given image. First we need to consider the base model. This base model in the shape of rectangular solid. These dimensions are 66 length and width is 12 plus 18 plus 12, that is 42 By using this 66 and 42, you need to develop one rectangular solid in the SolidWorks software. Uh, for that purpose, go to the features and choose extruded boss or base. When you click on that option, here is showing different types of planes. Among that, I am choosing top plane because that shape is appear in the top view. That's why I am choosing top plane. Uh, then construct one rectangle by using center rectangle. From the center point, draw one rectangle. Then apply the dimensions by using smart dimensions. This length is 66. Then click on enter. Now choose this vertical edge and drag to outside. This width is 42 Then click on enter. Now exit from this work page by using this option. Here the width is the bottom base width is 12 Now in the left side you can enter the width that is 12 1 to enter. Then click on this OK option. Once you see the given image, in the right side two chompers are there. The chomper length is 12 You can apply the chompers to these two edges. In the SolidWorks software, that option is available in the fillet option. Just you can elaborate this fillet option. The second one is chomper. Now select these two edges, right side two edges. You can select these two edges by holding control button. Also select this one. This chomper width is 12 You can enter the value here. 1 to enter. Now click on OK. Now chomper is applied. The next move to this one. This vertical. Now you can consider this vertical portion. This width is 12 and height is I think 60 minus 12, that is 48. So you can construct on that bottom base. Again go to the extruded boss or base option. Now select this top surface. You can construct one rectangle. You can choose corner rectangle. Just draw the one rectangle from this top left corner to this bottom one. Now apply the dimension by using smart dimension. This width is 12 1 to enter. Now exit from this workbench. Just click on this one. This height is 60 minus 12, that is 48. You can enter the value here. This value is 48. Enter. Here top and having fillet is there. The fillet radius is 21 So just you can click on OK. Now apply the fillet for these two corners, two edges. So go to this menu bar, choose fillet, select this edge and hold control button, also select this edge. This radius is, you can enter the radius value here, fillet parameters. This radius is, symmetry means both are same, 21, enter. Now the fillet is applied, then click on OK. uh, this is also select this one, then click on enter. 21, OK. Okay, after this we need to construct this rib portion. This rib portion in the shape of triangle. So this height is 42, length is equal to this width. So go to the SolidWorks software and again choose extruded boss or base option. Now you can construct the triangle shape in the front view, front plane. Now select the front plane and draw the triangle shape by using line command. Choose line. So from this point draw the horizontal line. Just draw the rough triangle. Then you can give the exact dimensions. This one, this is a rough triangle, I have drawn that. Next, give the dimensions by using smart dimension. Select this one, give the dimension to this vertical vertical edge. This length is 42 mm. Then click on enter. Now exit from this workbench. Apply the thickness. The thickness is here, that is exactly in the middle. So you can choose the direction, mid plane. That width is in the given figure he has given that 12 mm. You can enter the value is 12. 1 2 enter. Now I can click on OK. This is the final sketch for the given model. Okay, this is the way to you can develop any type of model in SolidWorks. I hope this video lecture is very helpful to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.